UAV is online.
Can blame it on my guy not being able to see with these
Our
goggles
team has
on.
the satellite.
You just a
Satellite
faggot.
dropped.
I know.
Friendly holds the satellite. We've lost the satellite. Satellite uploaded. Care package inbound.
Was so fucking random.
The enemy has the satellite. We're winning. Our team has the
Damn it,
satellite.
these fucking guys.
I'm the one guy without links.
Satellite uploaded. Our UAV is online. Get the satellite back.
Damn man. Link's sniper rifle.
Satellite dropped.
Way too fucking hard.
Did you use it pre-patch?
No?
We have the
Clearly
satellite.
you don't know what I've been through.
Pre-patches was complete shit. Just so you know.
It had about equal amounts of recoil as the Barrett in Modern Warfare 2.
Oh, I really like
Except that
Barrett.
it was not predictable at all. It was not up to the same right corner every time. It was a different corner.
Our team has the
Completely
satellite.
impossible to use, especially since it only hits to the head, one shots to the head.
Squad, that was textbook.
And not even then can you one shot if you have a silencer on it.
Satellite returned.
Yeah, I just got them on the other ship.
Elite! Elite!
But you get. Oh no!
You got the bulldog?
I don't have the PDW, whatever you said it was. Oh no, oh no. Do you have a bandana? Well then
can
you
be a
can't be the
faggot.
Master Senpai. You need a headband to show that you are truly worthy of the way of the shield.
Or you can be a faggot.
No, no, that title is reserved for Hasi.
Or you can be amethyst. Oh wait, you already have been.
What's up with that?
Okay. Nico has already done that, just so you know. I have already done that. No one has done that.
Really?
Yeah.
You expect everyone to have taken it. You should say, but no one likes that.
I'm on a move! Domination. Capture and defend the flags. Securing Charlie. We lost A. C secure. Enemy has Bravo.
Yeah. I'm gonna die one more time just to make sure. 100%. Yeah, confirm. Hacker. Hacker